is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. A flowchart can also be defined as a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. A step-by-step approach to solving a task. The flowchart shows the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows.
Sir?
Very good. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Can I tell about the flowchart symbols, and also I will have to share my screen.
So Yuvansh is also part of the team.
No.
So Yuvansh, wait, your group chance will come next. Yuvansh, wait for a minute. Let them complete. So this is their group. They have already started. Arnav, Saili, Ria, and who else is there in that team?
No one else. It's
Okay.
just us three.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Okay, share it. Unmute your line. Unmute yourself.
So here I'm going to share. So here I'm going to share a few examples of flowcharts. So one of them that I've made myself is lockdown. How do you face it? When start, I have a question. Are you bored in the lockdown? If no, good, you're already enjoying, right? If your answer is yes, then ask to yourself, is your school having online sessions? If yes, nice, have fun learning. And if no, do you have books to read? Search your library for that. And if your answer is yes, you can go grab your next read. And if your answer is still no, have you got a hobby? If yes, wonderful, make the most of it indoors. And if you have not got a hobby, this is just the time to make it.
So this is how.
So I have some more examples from the web, like this one. If your lamp doesn't work, is your lamp plugged in? No, plug in the lamp. If yes, is the bulb burned out? If yes, replace the bulb. And if still no, you have to repair the lamp. And I have two more examples.
Sharvani also has made a PPT. So in her PPT, the same one is there, the lamp doesn't work thing.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, it's from the web, that's right.
Okay,
So,
very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
And I hope you make the most of it from my flowchart. Thank you.
Interesting. So is Ria covering anything else?
Yes, sir.
Ria will explain.
Ria will explain the components.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
No, share it. Share it.
Flowcharts are easy to understand diagrams that show how the steps of a
Show your screen
flowcharts
again.
tend to consist of four main symbols linked with arrows that show the direction of flow.
Ria, can you show your... Okay, now got it. Okay, now I can see it. Okay. Go ahead.
Flowcharts are easy to understand diagrams that show how the steps of a process fit together.
Flowcharts tend to consist of four main symbols linked with arrows that show the direction of flow. First, elongated circles, which signify the start or end of a process. Start. Second, rectangles, which show instructions or actions. Example, task. Diamonds. Third, diamonds, which highlight where you must take a decision. If your decision is no, there is an arrow below it. You can go through the arrows and go through your decision. Parallelograms, which show input and output. This can include material, services, or people. Example, input and output. Tip. You can use many other symbols in a flowchart, but remember that these diagrams are used for communication. If you use symbols that only few people understand, you may be not successful to get your message across. So be sure to keep things simple. Thank you.
Good. So is the full team done? Anything else?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I like your presentation and explanation. All three of you have done a good job.
Sir,
Yes.
but last meeting, Arnav Nirkar didn't join, so we didn't decide what topic will he take.
No problem. No problem. So who is going next? Which team is ready? Which team is ready right now? Who all?
Share my screen.
Sorry. Gloria, say it again.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah. So your team is explaining now. Okay, go ahead. Who all are there in your team? Go ahead. You want to share the screen?
Yes. I'm in
Arnav
Arnav
Nirkar, what are you?
No,
Huh?
no. So Arnav, you're
Arnav Nirkar is there.
okay. Arnav Nerkar is there. Okay. All right. So Arnav, who else is there in the same group? You, Arnav.
And Astha, Sharvani and Astha.
All right. All three of them are there on the call.
Oh, Sharvani is left.
He left.
Astha is there, Arnav Nirkar is there, and I am there. Sharvani is not there.
Let us wait. Maybe she got dropped actually. She'll join back. Okay. So let me check the message. Yes. And
Flowchart basics with example, definition and uses basic shapes in flowchart, examples, definition of flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents workflow or process. Flowchart can be also defined as a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, a step-by-step approach to solve a task. The flowchart shows the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows. It includes multiple steps which the process flows through from start to finish. Flowchart symbols. Flowchart basics. Name, oval or ellipse. The beginning or end of a process. Flow line. The direction of flow in the process. Parallelogram. Either an input operation, example doing research, or an output operation, example printing a rough draft out. Rectangle. A process is to be carried out, example creating the topic sentence of a paper. Diamond. A decision must be made which can result in two or more directions the process can take, example deciding whether to revise a paper again or turn it in. A parallelogram represents the data. The rectangle represents the process. The decision, the rhombus is used for the decision. These are the different shapes which are commonly used for creating a flowchart. Next, online shopping flowchart. First, start. Select the items, add to cart and proceed to billing. Confirm order and address details. Order confirmed, then make payment. If payment successful, confirm order and send notification and stop. Cancel order, yes, then stop. Cancel order, no, then make payment again. And payment success, then confirm order and send notification and then stop.
Sir, now can I share my screen? I want to show my PPT.
Yeah, go ahead. No, go ahead.
Let me share it. Sir, can you see it?
Yes.
Uh, This is a flowchart. It is the introduction to flowchart. This is the definition of flowchart. Flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. A flowchart can also be defined as a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, a step-by-step approach to solving a task. The flowchart shows the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows. This diagrammatic representation illustrates a solution model to a given problem. Flowcharts are used in analyzing, designing, documenting, or managing a process or program in various fields. Picture of the flowchart. Flowchart. Enter your subheadline here. Start. Do you have to file an income tax return? Are you single? Yes. Are you under age? Oh, sorry. It went again there before reading because I touched the mouse. Let me go it again. Are you single? Yes. Are you under 65 years of age? Yes. Is your gross income less than 9,000? Yes, you do not have to file an income tax return. And now we'll go to no. No. B. Here, no. Is your gross income less than 95,000? No. You have to file an income tax return. Next, thank you.
Very good. Who is there in your team? Who else is there?
Sharvani and Astha. Astha is going to do the introduction. Sharvani is going to give the definition like me in her words.
So Astha, you're there? You can switch on your video. Okay, good.
Astha is there.
Yes. Everybody else can mute your lines. Okay. Yes.
Introduction. Chart is a graphical representation of an economic thing. Programs often use it as a program planning tool to solve a problem. It makes use of symbols which are connected among them to indicate the flow to information, the process. The process of drawing is a flowchart. For an economic theme is known as flowcharting. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, very good. So I think that's it, right?
Sir, I think you are recording.
Yes.
I can see something as red button
Yes.
and recording.
Yes. Okay. So next team now. All three are done, right? I think Shravani is not there right now. She got dropped. So we can start. Third team. Yuvansh. Who else is there along with you? Yuvansh and
Now,
Avyuk.
Sir, Avyukt and Shravay.
All right. Okay. So you want. Okay. Who is going ahead first in your group?
Sir, I think my team members are not here.
Avyuk is there. I can hear. I can see him. Avyuk.
Okay, Avyukt is here.
Who
Where
else
is
is-
Shravay?
Shravay will join. I have just messaged him. He will join.
Sir, so Avyukt will say the introduction to flowchart, right, Avyukt?
So Avyuk, do you want me to share that PPT that you have sent?
Yes.
Okay, let me try. Hold on. Is that the one?
Wait, I can't see it.
It's black.
Yes.
Is this the one?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Algorithm. Algorithm is a set of instructions to finish a task. It is a step-by-step method of finishing a problem. In computing, programmers with algorithm that instruction in the computer how to perform the task. Examples: mathematical calculations, recipe for making food. So next, yeah, advantages of algorithm. Algorithm is easy to understand for anyone without any programming language. So then there's another algorithm for making buttermilk. Example: making buttermilk. Step 1: take some whisk curd, water and salt. Step 2: mix well. Step 3: taste it. Step 4: if salt is less, then add salt accordingly. If salt is more, adjust with water or curd. Flowchart. Flowchart is a diagram made of boxes and arrows. It is the simplest way of representing algorithm. Elements of flowchart. The first one is the start and stop box. The second one, which is a rectangle, is a processing box. And the third one is an input and output box. And the diamond shaped thing is the decision box, and the arrows are arrows to show the flow, and the circles are connectors. Flowchart for making buttermilk. Start. Take curd, salt and water. Mix well and taste. Is it good? Yes. End. No? Then mix. If no, then there's a next page. Too salt. salty? No. Less salt? Yes. Add salt.
All right.
If it's too salty, add water.
Very good. I like the example. Okay. Okay. So who else is there in your group now? You want?
Sir, me.
Yeah. So now, shall I stop the sharing, or you want? You will share something, or you
Yeah.
will? Okay. I will stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Mm. Sir, can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes. Very good.
Flowchart symbols. Flowchart symbols. Flowchart symbols use special shapes to represent different types of action or steps in a process, lines and arrows to show the sequence of steps and the relationships among them. They are known as flowchart symbols.
Yeah.
Flowchart symbols with function. Symbols name start and end function. An oval represents a start or end point. Arrow name arrows. A line is a connector that shows relationships between the representative shapes. Name input and output. A parallelogram.
Nobody should write anything. Arnav, don't do anything on the screen.
Parallelogram represents input or output. Name process. A rectangle represents a process. Decision box. A diamond indicates a decision. Some example. If the lamp doesn't work, go down. Lamp plugged in? If yes, bulb burned, or if no, plug in lamp. If bulb burned out, yes, then replace the bulb. If no, then repair the lamp. Find the sum of 529 and 256. Start. Read A. A equal to 529. Read B. B equal to 256. Calculate sum as A plus B. Sum equal to 529 plus 256. Print sum. Sum equal to 785. End. Thank you.
Very good. I like the presentation. All of you have done a good job. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
So who is there next? In your group, anybody else have joined? Okay.
Shravai has joined.
Shravai, I think Shravai will present next week. So who all are there in your group? That all of you are there now?
Sir, there's Rishita in our group.
Has she joined? She has not joined right now.
Yes.
No problem. She will join next week. Okay, Navya, who all were there in your group?
And our Sharvani also didn't join.
Yeah, she got dropped.
In my group.
Navya and Shaurya, do you want to present something? Viraj?
Sir, I don't remember.
Yeah. What are you saying, Navya?
I don't remember.
You will present next week?
She's saying she don't remember.
Sir, can you share my screen?
Okay, go ahead, share it. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I'm telling you about flowcharts. What is a flowchart? Flowchart is a composite word with two words. One is flowchart and one is flow and the second is chart. Flow means the task process and the chart means a diagram. And together flowchart means the steps of that flowchart in a diagram. Symbols used to represent the structure of the flowchart. Symbol is a terminal. It represents start and end. Say arrow connects the process. Parallelogram is an input and output. And a square is the process. And square is a process and it presents the process. Diamond, it shows the decision, means yes or no. Now let's take an example to understand the symbols. Now let us take the example. Go to school. Start, wake up from the bed before 6:30 am. If yes, catch the bus. Yes, reach the school and end. And if no, parent will drop no or yes. If no, miss the school, end. And parent will drop, reach the school and end. Benefits of a flowchart. Easy to understand. Means it is visualized, so it's easy. Decision-based process means it is very easy to understand the impact. Time saving. If it was in written form, we need to read the whole process and it would take a lot of time. But if it is in a flowchart, then it would be very easy to read. And problem solving means you can understand and break the process and you will understand the process. So it is problem solving. Thank you.
Very good. I like the example. Okay, let me open what Navya has sent. Let me open that. Navya, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'm just downloading that file. I will open it up right now. And
Okay.
the Word document.
So then can I share the screen?
Oh, you can share it? Okay. Yeah, good. Go ahead.
We need to log back in after 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Yeah. Let us continue and then we will. That's fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, I can see it. Yes, I can see it. Navya, I can see the screen.
Yeah, I know.
We are lost. दादा एक सेकंड
Navya, what are you doing?
Navya, I can see the screen now. I can see the screen Word document. Oh, you want me to share, Navya?
Someone is scribbling on the screen.
Okay, hold on. I will share the screen. I could manage to open it. Don't do anything.
Sir, it's done now. Navya. Sir, can you see the Word document?
No. I think it is opening.
It's slow, I think.
I will open it.
Huh?
I will just open it. I will share it. Hold on.
Sir, 2 minutes are left. We'll get dropped down.
I have shared now. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Sir, the meeting is going to get disconnected by 2 minutes.
Yeah, we will join back after 2 minutes. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So, for my first flowchart is, we need to check if the number is odd or even. Start, divide number by 2. Then, if remainder is 0, if yes, print even. If no, print odd. And then you get if it's odd or even, stop. So next,
Very good.
the next one.
Very good. Oh, is there a next one? Okay. Yeah.
3. There 3.
Yeah. Yes.
I can't see. Yeah.
Huh.
Now next flowchart is to make tea. Start. Take some water. Then keep it on the gas. Switch on the gas. Add tea leaves and sugar. If want ginger tea, if yes, add ginger. If no, then go to the next step. Then serve the tea and stop. The next one.
Oh, there is one more. Okay.
Yeah, last one.
Yes. Go ahead.
I can see.
I can see it. Yeah.
Yeah. Start. Take a number. Then repeat text from 1 to 10. Then print number multiply x. You get the number